Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Supernatural BM Crackle 20 Black and BM S151 Straight Up Black and She Modern Yellow Jelly Watercolor. I've started off with Nailtique's Formula 2 as my base coat, and here is Color Club Supernatural. Another stunning, hollow, can't believe that a mainstream brand did this. And a long time ago, I might mention. I mean, years and years and years. I've had these in my collection for a very long time, and they're still as gorgeous and easy to use today as the day I bought them. Stunning. Gonna cap my free edge here. Get that little edge. There we go. All blurrified. We're gonna go in with the second coat. I could have gotten away with one coat. I know I could have, but I'm a two-coat girl. I like two coats. I like the thickness on my nails. I feel like I'm really protecting them because I am hard on them. Alright, now that that's on, we're going to top these with I&M out the door. Get this at Sally's or Amazon. I got my first one at Sally's. Then I started getting it on Amazon just because I needed like a bunch of it. Going to cap that free edge with the top coat. Going to get it dry down so we can do some playing. Alright, look at this BAM stunner. Oh, hololicious. Here is BM Crackle number 20, the black. This is an old Bundle Monster, which is now a Maniology item. I bought the whole collection they had because it was in back when I bought it. I mean, that was the thing. Everybody was into the Crackle. Some people never liked it. I was one that liked it. I still do. So today we're going to play with mine. I have them. I'm going to use them. And it really worked for this manicure because I'm going for like a reptilian looking manicure. Just something a little funky, you know. So there we go. We made a little baby mess. We're going to have to clean this up. Get my little brush out here. Okay, good enough. Get that mat cleaned up too. There we have it. So I crackled 3 of the nails. I did my thumbnail too. And I'll be using BM S151. And I'm using this eye that looks like maybe a lizard. I don't know. And I'll be using Old Bundle Monster straight up. Maniology do still sell straight up. So we've still got that one in play if you're interested. This is just an old mini bottle I decided to break out and use. So we're going to slap that paint on there, scrape it off with the scraper card, pick it up with the stamper, and then I'm going to put it on one of these empty nails. And I will tell you, I did mess this one up. You won't be able to tell too much maybe. I don't know. Some of you, nail connoisseurs might be able to figure it out, but I did kind of mess something up on this. I thought I was doing right, but we'll see. I'll show you. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm going to clean the plate off with some acetone. Get that cleaned up. And then slap some more polish on it. Some more straight up black. And then scrapey scrape. Pick that rascal up again. Okay, and what I do here is I flip the image, thinking that I'm doing right. But I should have just done them the same. It doesn't really matter. Not that big of a deal. Clean that stamper off again. And here we go for some cleanup. Got to clean up my scraper card and my stamping plate. That black just smears all over the place, so I have to flip my cotton ball over to, go over it again. Get it clean, girl. Check the back. And then the little stampy mat. See, it's getting, it's just getting messy. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of the excess of the stamping polish out of the way, off of the nails and the skin. Alright, and now I'm going to use She Modern's Jelly Yellow Watercolor Polish. I was calling it jelly. I've got a tiny little detail brush going, and I do have a discount code for She Modern also down in the description box if you want to check that out. But I wanted to make these eyes kind of look like they were glowing. I was really into this one. I'm telling y'all, it was just, I just saw it in my head and decided I had to do it. And I'm really glad I did. I had fun with it. I mean, I'm not like a huge reptile person. I don't have any reptile pets or anything, but I wanted to do this. Once that jelly or watercolor polish dried down some, then I'm topping it with the smudge-free top coat. I'm going to go over all the nails with that just in case. You never know. Take that chalky look out of that crackle. And once everything's dried down a bit, I am going in with some Posh top coat to seal this one in and make it look all plump and juicy and wet looking. There we go. Kept that free edge. And then some crackle. I still love me some crackle. I'm sorry. I can't help myself. I still think it's a great thing. Kept that one too. Ta-da! And there is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.